Okay, in this short video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take third exit from Lillycroft onto Duckworth Lane. Okay, as it is straight ahead third exit, the most important thing is you do not need any signal and you need to keep to the left. Okay, so the road is going to widen up here, so just make sure you keep to the left as much as possible. I'm going to slow the video down here so you can see better. So this road on the left where that grey car is going, that's your first exit. You're going to keep to the left over this keep clear sign. So we've just gone past exit 1, and then with the taxis, that's exit number 2. And you can see we are on the left. Now it's 2 lanes. If you are stuck in the right lane, you will have to take the 4th exit, and that road straight ahead where the traffic light is, it is a 3rd exit, and that is Duckworth Lane. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.